Hi, my name is Daniel Graham, and my social media etiquette project is on Logan Paul, a social media influencer. Who is Logan Paul? Logan Paul is an American actor and internet personnel. He became famous from Vine, which is an application that sadly no longer exists, but now he can be found on YouTube and Facebook. He has been making videos for YouTube for about 10 years. And he dropped out of Ohio State University in 2014 to pursue being a full-time social media entertainer. He is a comedian and has a total of 4.2 billion views on his Logan Paul vlogs. What happened negatively with Logan Paul? So Logan Paul posted a controversial video online. He went to the Araucaria forest in Japan, which also is nicknamed Suicide Forest. He also made posts in Japan mocking and making fun of their culture. While he was in the forest, he found a body of a young man who had hung himself. He decided to approach the body in a comedic manner. He was showing the body up close, then turned to his face and started laughing. His actions were said to be self-centered and cruel, and the video is highly disturbing and includes video of him laughing and making jokes about it. It is called Suicide Forest because of how many people have come into the forest to hang themselves. How to avoid and how did he rectify himself? He could have avoided the situation by simply seeing the body and turning off the camera for that portion of the video. But instead he went and recorded his hands, but only blurred his face. He also could avoid places like Suicide Forest where you can see disturbing things like a dead man. And he could find different ways to be funny since he is a comedian, so other videos that would be funny, not going to Suicide Forest. And after the backlash, he removed the video and wrote a written apology. He also stated he was taking a break from YouTube, but he's still vlogging and stated creating is his passion. Walking into Suicide Forest, you should know it's not going to be a funny video. He remarked saying, "Did we just find a dead person in the Suicide Forest? This was supposed to be a fun blog." What he could have done differently. He could have filmed anywhere in that forest and not filmed. He could have filmed anywhere in Japan. He could not have even taken the trip to Japan if he knew he was going to be racist there by posting videos, making fun of their culture. So he just should have not gone to Japan, and especially posted videos and pictures about it. As stated before, once seeing the body, turn off the film. And if he did not, he could have made the video a serious video and not a joking video about someone committing suicide. He could have opened up the discussion on male suicide and made it into a positive. And he should have had a very different reaction when he saw the body and not try to be comedic and laugh. If I were in that position or a friend were in that position, I would be way more empathetic. I would never make a joke about suicide nor react to seeing someone hang themselves like that. I would never video someone's dead body and honestly be traumatized by the situation. If my friend were to post that, I would tell them to take that down immediately, and I would judge their character and question what kind of person they are for posting that. If you have morals and you would not post that, I would probably not be friends with someone who would post that in the first place. If lots of people follow you, you should be even more careful with what you're posting because he has billions of views, and I think before posting something, he should really think about what he posts. So that's my social media etiquette project.